My name is Dan. I'm a master technician. My father was really into cars and liked to fix them up. My dad would always say, the harder you work, the easier things come to you in life. And that's pretty much what got me started in learning how to fix cars the right way and getting certified and eventually becoming a mechanic. My brother-in-law got me a job at Pep Boys. Throughout the years, other family members have worked with me. And then eventually my two sons who now work with me every day. My son Patrick is 23, my son Bailey is 21. They both work at Pep Boys part-time while they're going to college. Bailey's trying to get a business degree, but he would also like to move up in the company. He says, Dad, I really love working for Pep Boys, and I hope I can stay there forever like you. My daughter Allison, she's 11. We work on cars on the weekend together. She always asks me, Dad, when am I going to get to work with you and my brothers? I enjoy working on cars with my kids because we get to spend a lot of time together. Plus I get to teach them new things. When my son Patrick was old enough to drive, he wanted a '94 Honda Civic, which was a very popular car for his age. So we purchased a used Civic and we restored that together. And then when my son Bailey turned 16, he asked me if we could restore an old 1970 Nova that is the same car that I worked on with my dad when I was 16. Fixing cars is what we do as a family, and I love that. To dads everywhere, happy Father's Day.